88% of Mercedes owners are completely unaware of the hidden capabilities built into their cars. These secret features quietly save you serious money on repairs and fuel, while making every drive safer and more convenient. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 hidden Mercedes features that most owners never discover, and the final one is pure engineering genius. Stick around because these tips could easily save you thousands and might even save your life one day. Let's jump in. Secret number 15, unlock only the driver's door. Picture this, you're walking back to your Mercedes late at night in a dimly lit parking lot. You hit the unlock button and every door pops open at once, suddenly you're exposed. But your Mercedes gives you a smarter option. With one simple setting, the first press of your key fob unlocks only the driver's door, the rest stay locked until you press it again. This isn't just about avoiding carjackers. It stops your kids or passengers from swinging doors open into the car next to you and creating expensive scratches and dents. No more awkward conversations in parking lots. Go into your settings and enable single door unlock today. You'll thank yourself the next time you're parked tight. Secret number 14, manual mirror dipping control. You're revering into a tight spot and relying on the rear camera, but you still can't see exactly where your rear wheels are kissing the curb. Most owners guess and risk expensive wheel damage. Here, what almost nobody does, use the mirror adjustment joystick on your door to tilt the side mirror downward while revering. Select the left or right mirror, then push the joystick down. Instantly, you get a crystal clear view of the curb and your rear wheel. This works on virtually every Mercedes with power mirrors, no special menu needed, no extra cost. One scratched or curbed alloy wheel can cost $400 to $900 to repair. Mastering this trick pays for itself the first time you use it in a tight parking garage. Try it next time you're revering, you'll be shocked how precise it feels. Secret number 13, hidden hold feature. You're stuck in brutal stop-and-go traffic, leg burning from holding the brake for 10 straight minutes. Your Mercedes has a brilliant solution most drivers press once, get confused by, and never use again. Look for the hold button on your center console. When you're fully stopped, press it and lift your foot completely off the brake. The car holds itself stationary with full brake pressure, even on steep hills. This isn't your parking brake or hill start assist. It actively maintains hydraulic pressure. When you're ready, just touch the accelerator and it releases smoothly. Even better, using hold reduces brake wear because the system applies steady pressure more efficiently than a tired human foot. Fewer heat cycles mean longer-lasting pads and rotors. A full Mercedes brake job can easily run $900 to $1,600. Use this feature every single time you're in traffic. Before we continue with the really good stuff, if you're enjoying these secrets, smash that like button. It really helps me keep bringing you deep dive content like this. Thank you. Secret number 12, auto button on climate control. You jump in on a scorching day and start frantically adjusting fan speed, temperature, and vents. 5 minutes later, you're still uncomfortable and distracted. Here's what too many Mercedes owners ignore, that big auto button on your climate control panel. Press it once and the car takes over everything: temperature, fan speed, air direction, recirculation, even heated and ventilated seats. It uses sensors for sunlight, outside temperature, and cabin conditions to optimize perfectly. Mercedes engineers tuned this system to reach your desired temperature using the least amount of energy possible. Manual fiddling almost always wastes more fuel. Set it and forget it. Your wallet and comfort will both thank you. Secret number 11, reset check engine light secret. The check engine light comes on and panic sets in. Most people immediately book a dealer appointment and pay $150 to $250 just for a scan. But you can often clear minor glitches yourself for free. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 to 20 minutes. This drains residual power and forces the ECU to do a full reset. Reconnect, start the car, and many times the light stays off. A huge number of check engine lights are one-time sensor glitches or loose connections. If the light returns after a few drives, then yes, get it properly diagnosed. But if it stays off, you just saved yourself time and money. Always worth trying before the dealer. Secret number 10, start your Mercedes with a dead key fob. You walk up, push the start button, nothing. Dead fob battery and you're stranded. Most owners don't realize Mercedes built in a brilliant backup. There's a specific spot in the center console, often in the cup holder or armrest area, where you place the dead fob. Press the brake and push start as normal. The car uses an inductive coil to read the transponder chip even with zero battery power in the fob. Check your owner's manual for your exact model and memorize that spot right now. A dead key fob should never leave you stuck. Secret number 9, touch and hold the door to unlock. Hands full with groceries, coffee, and bags, no need to dig for your fob, simply touch and hold the sensor on the door handle. The car detects the fob in your pocket or bag and unlocks instantly. This also works for locking, just touch the sensor on the outside when walking away. Understanding this properly prevents expensive lockout calls that can cost $150–250 on a Mercedes. Secret number 8, hidden SOS button in roof. You're on a lonely road and something goes wrong. Phone has no signal or is dead. Look up at the roof console, there's an SOS button that connects you directly to Mercedes emergency services through the car's own built-in cellular connection. It works even if your phone is destroyed. The moment you press it, they receive your exact GPS location. In a serious crash, the system can even trigger automatically. Know exactly where that button is before you ever need it. Secret number 7, automatic mirror folding on lock. Narrow streets and tight parking garages are murder on side mirrors. Enable auto-fold mirrors in your MBUX settings. Every time you lock the car, the mirrors fold in flush. They unfold automatically when you unlock. The idea that this wears the motors out is mostly a myth. Mercedes designed these motors for daily use. One avoided parking lot clip saves you $700 $600 on a replacement mirror assembly. Secret number 6, the hidden metal key inside your fob. Flip open the small tab on your key fob and pull out the physical metal key blade. Most owners never even know it's there. This blade not only unlocks the door mechanically, it also locks and unlocks the glove box separately, perfect for valet situations. Give the valet the fob but keep your valuables secure, simple but incredibly useful. Secret number 5, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Night driving with high beams blasting behind you? Your Mercedes rearview mirror is probably already fighting the glare automatically. That small green light at the base means the electrochromic glass is working, darkening precisely as needed. Many models extend this technology to the side mirrors too. Don't manually flip the mirror, you'll defeat the whole system. Let the car handle it and keep full visibility. Secret number 4, the folding rear seat you never used. Need to haul something long? Stop renting vans. Your rear seats fold in a 60-40 split, creating a long, flat load area. Many models even let you drop them from inside the trunk using release levers. Some versions have a center ski pass-through so you can carry long items without losing all rear seating. This single feature has saved owners countless van rental fees. Secret number 3, save more fuel with Eco Start Stop. That moment your engine shuts off at a red light isn't a problem, it's Eco Start Stop doing its job. It cuts fuel waste during idle and restarts instantly when you lift off the brake. The system uses reinforced components designed for thousands of daily cycles. In city driving, it can improve fuel economy by 5–8%. Stop disabling it out of fear. Leave it on and watch your fuel savings add up. Secret number 2, the boot strap hidden in your trunk lid. Hands full after loading the trunk? Look underneath the lid for the fabric pull strap. Pull it gently to close the trunk smoothly without slamming or scratching the paint. This controlled motion also reduces stress on the latch and hinges over time. A small detail that prevents expensive trunk mechanism repairs down the road. Secret number 1, the hidden vertical opening bonnet. Every normal car hood opens the same way, hinged at the back. But certain Mercedes models, especially SL and AMG GT, do something spectacular. The entire bonnet opens vertically from the side like a dramatic gull-wing panel, giving unobstructed access to the engine bay. Press the red release and watch it rise. It's held securely by gas struts with zero risk of falling. This design was created for serious service work where traditional hoods get in the way. It looks like a concept car feature, but it's real and it always stops people in their tracks. So, how many of these did you already know? Drop a comment below and tell me which secret surprised you the most. If this video just saved you money or made you appreciate your Mercedes more, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got even more hidden features coming in the next video that most owners will never find on their own. Thanks for watching. Drive safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.